Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, highs today were only in the upper 20s and low 30s across much of the state, which is the kind of day you would normally expect in January. But yes, it can happen in December, too, especially with snow cover. We got up to 32 in Hartford, 36 degrees in New Haven, and in the Litchfield Hills, we stayed in the upper 20s today. Cold, but nice and sunny. The sun went down at 4:20, and there's Hartford. We have a mainly clear sky overhead. There's been some high clouds in the sky all day long, and that will be the case this evening. And here's a beautiful shot of New Haven, looking across these skyscrapers over to the Pearl Harbor Memorial Bridge in the distance. And temperatures are dropping back. We're in the low 30s along the I-95 corridor, but in the 20s over interior portions of the state. And I think we're going to see a really good temperature drop this evening with a clear to partly cloudy sky, light winds, and snow cover. In fact, some parts of the state may actually dip into the upper teens before some clouds roll in later on tonight. And the good news is the wind is light, so we're not dealing with much of a wind chill factor at all. So a few high clouds moving across Connecticut now. The system we are watching, though, for tomorrow night and Saturday is emerging out of the deep south. So this is gathering moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and eventually it's going to gather moisture from the Atlantic Ocean, and that means we're in for a lot of rain. So Futurecast shows a partly cloudy sky this evening. Then as we go into tomorrow morning, if we see any sunshine, it's not going to last long. By late morning and early afternoon, a little rain breaks out in the state. That's 1 p.m. on Futurecast. There could be a little bit of an icy mix at the onset, but it won't last very long. And for the afternoon commute into tomorrow evening, we're going to be dealing with some rain. That's Friday, 7 p.m. And then as we go into Saturday morning, and this is true for Friday night and Saturday morning, the rain is going to be heavy at times. So a soggy start to your day Saturday, then the rain will taper off to showers during the afternoon. The combination of heavy rain, melting snow, frozen ground could lead to some poor drainage, flooding, and some of you may potentially take on some water in the basement. What about rainfall totals? Well, we're thinking anywhere from 1 to 2 inches when all is said and done, but I wouldn't be surprised to see some totals between 2 and 3 inches in parts of the state. So lows tonight range anywhere from 15 to 25. Then temperatures will rise toward dawn, and your highs for tomorrow in the upper 30s over northern portions of the state, around 40 in Hartford. I think the mid 40s along the I-95 corridor for your day tomorrow. Saturday, heavy rain in the morning, tapering off to showers in the afternoon, breezy, 52. And then Sunday, a mix of clouds and sunshine, a windy day. The westerly wind could gust to 40 miles an hour, a high of 46. Monday, dry and colder, a high of 37. It should be mostly sunny. The next storm moves in Monday night and Tuesday, starting out as a wintry mix, ending up as a cold rain, a high of 38. Then Wednesday and Thursday, very cold, highs only around 30 or so, and temperatures dipping into the teens. And Wednesday, it's going to be windy, too. For the shoreline tomorrow, 46, but a high of 54 with rain on Saturday.